It's 100% free to sign up to this website. It works worldwide, and you don't need any skills or experience to get paid big time through the use of this platform. If you watch this video through to the end, you will know exactly how to set this all up because I will walk you through the process step by step. And as a bonus, I will show you how you can set this up on autopilot to make money online in purely passive income. And with all of that said, let's now get right into this tutorial. The website that is crucial in this strategy, guys, and that will allow you to make big money online is this one right here called dhgate.com. And what this site is all about, it shouldn't take you too long to figure out when you come over to here, mainly because it's very similar to Amazon.com. So you can come over to here and literally buy anything. Just check out all of the categories they have on the left-hand side. You have cell phones, electronic devices, sports and outdoors, health and beauty, shoes and accessories, and so much more. The thing with this website and what it has to offer is that, unlike with Amazon, you can make a lot of money with this platform. And let's now make it clear that you are not here to buy any products. So you won't be investing a dime into this to make it work since it's 100% free. As such, I don't want to go over all of the products they have to offer here to not prolong this video, but I will say this. Anything you might want to buy, you can definitely find on this website. So, with all that said and done, guys, what you want to do on this website to get paid is actually promote this as an affiliate. And to access their affiliate page, be sure you click on the first link in the description below or in the pinned comment below, and that will take you straight over to this page here. And this website right here is arguably one of the best websites you can promote as an affiliate nowadays. To start things off, you can see right here that DHgate Affiliate Program is a platform for everyone could be a partner with us. Agency, individual advertiser, marketing company, blogger, social influencer, as long as you have a way to spread, you have a chance to earn unlimited commissions and bonuses. This is very important to highlight because many affiliate programs nowadays require you to be some big YouTube channel or some big influencer in order to be able to promote them. But that is most definitely not the case with this website. And what I really love about their affiliate program too is the fact that you can promote the actual website as an affiliate as well as their individual products. And this is definitely a unique feature you won't see that often. So you grab an affiliate link to say some smartphone and promote it online on YouTube, for example, which would actually be a pretty good idea, or you can promote the overall website. This means that you have many ways to make money with this platform as an affiliate. And by the way, they have over 200,000 products for you to choose from to promote as an affiliate. So literally no shortage of ways for you to get paid. Arguably, however, the best feature, in my opinion, is seen right here. They offer up to 51% commissions for every single purchase. If any of you have been involved with affiliate marketing at any point in time, you'd know that this is way above average. And this is the main reason you want to promote this site. It simply pays so much more than its competitors. As simple as that. Down here, you can see what I mentioned a moment ago. You can promote this site as a whole to other people too, not just promote their individual products. So to now sign up to their affiliate program, this is what you have to do. First, click on the Join Free button in the upper right corner here, and then they will ask you to type in your email and password to sign up. And once you do, just tick this box and then click on Create My Account below, and that's it. When you log in, this is how everything will now look. And I will now show you guys how you can grab links to products to promote and what traffic source you can use as well as what particular product you want to promote to get paid. Firstly, what you want to do is go to their dashboard. So click on Enter Workplace right here. And on the following page, guys, you'll be able to see a few other things that I felt like were worth mentioning. Namely, you will earn an extra $5 for your first order and another $5 when you get 10 orders. So, a pretty nice feature to make you that much more money on the site. Anyhow, to grab an affiliate link to a product, first select one of the product categories on the left hand side. You have all products, featured products, sample products, and so on. And when you pick any one of these, you'll be able to see just below every single offer, Get Link. And when you find a product you want to promote, you can just click on that and you'll be able to grab your affiliate link just like that. What you can also see as well, which is quite important, is how much you'll be getting paid for every single purchase. And this is, of course, very important. You want a product that pays as much as possible. With all of that done, though, now that you've signed up to the site as an affiliate, your next step will be to simply find something to promote. And you want to make sure you pick something that you can get a lot of purchases for and thus make more money, whether it's some smartphone, laptop, or something like that. And a great traffic source you can use is the aforementioned YouTube. For example, what you can do, guys, is promote some smartphone from this website and then upload a video on YouTube talking about it and tell your viewers something along the lines of, if you want to check this out, then click on that first link down below. In this fashion, both thanks to the very high commissions on the platform, as well as the huge popularity YouTube has, you'll be able to make big money online and in passive income. However, for those of you who don't really have an idea of what to promote, and for those of you who perhaps don't want to show your face on camera, what can you do? Well, I have a particular type of product you can promote that might seem weird at first, but it will all make sense in a moment. Drones. Firstly, the reason you want to promote drones, guys, is because a lot of people want to buy them. And this is what I mentioned a moment ago. Secondly, though, you can see that they all pay very well in commissions. In fact, much more than other products on the website. And so, what you want to do now first is find a few drones that have great reviews and simply grab their links. And what you can now do, guys, is upload a video onto YouTube once again, promoting them just like some of these people have done here. Take this person here, for example. If you were to play this, you'd see that all we have is footage of the drones in question in the video with nobody showing their face on camera. And making a video like this is crazy easy. The best part, though, is the description. You can see a bunch of affiliate links to all of the featured drones in the description video. And this just goes to show you that this actually works. So there are people doing this and making a lot of money online. You, however, will have an advantage. Most people you see on the screen right now are promoting products from Amazon, which offer outright abysmal commissions that are at most 10%. You, meanwhile, will be able to find drones on here that pay as much as 51% in commissions. So the potential here to make a lot of money is huge. Furthermore, just like I promised you in the beginning, once your video goes live, you can just relax while getting paid in passive income. And you can basically upload like 2 videos per month or something like that and earn thousands of dollars in commissions. All in part thanks to this website. So once again, don't forget to click on the first link in the description to sign up to the platform now and to start making money right away. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something new, don't forget to leave a like down below in support. And since I upload new videos on here regularly, you should do yourselves a favor and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you get notified whenever a new video goes live. As always, thank you all for watching and see you in some of the upcoming videos.